Hi, my name is Nico Kruger. I'm the CTO of Digitata. And what we do is we intelligently price operator products such as data bundles and voice calls. In emerging markets such as South Africa and other African countries, the barrier to entry for data usage and for connectivity is still high in terms of cost. So the aim of our product is to help reduce that through working together with the mobile operator to make these things accessible to everyone. So what our product does and where it really innovates, we bridge the gap between the demands and the requirements of the mobile operator together with the requirements of the user. To give you an example, imagine 2 o'clock in the morning. At 2 o'clock in the morning there are very few phone calls, very few data sessions, which means that the mobile network infrastructure is basically sitting idle. So what our product allows the mobile operator to do is to make the price of data and voice calls cheaper during those hours. Our goal to intelligently price mobile operator products like data, we use machine learning algorithms and artificial intelligence algorithms to calculate the right price at the right time, at the right place for individuals. So in that sense, AWS allows us to innovate using services like Sagemaker to help us to do that by giving us tools to do ML and stuff like that in the cloud without worrying about infrastructure and without worrying about scalability. So it saved us money in that sense because we don't need to over-dimension for the busy hour. It's taken away a maintenance burden, it's taken away an operational burden from us completely. We no longer need to spec for the busy hours. We just run it in Lambda and AWS takes care of the needed capacity.